There's nothing more painful than putting your time and energy into filming YouTube content just for it to get 0 views. You know this feeling, 0 views, 5 views. And yes, I know, be happy about each and every viewer. I get it, we should be, but still there's a level of pain associated with knowing that there are billions of people on YouTube searching for content every day and you only got 5 views. So you're launching your YouTube channel. Let's do it the right way. We're going to go over what you need to know about launching a YouTube channel, what you need to do from the beginning. And don't try to appeal to everybody. You don't appeal to everybody. Let's just be real. Everybody does not like you. So don't try to appeal to everybody. Choose a specific topic, one that you love to talk about, and talk about it. Something that you can talk about for hours or for years even. Talk about that topic. Stay consistent on that topic. Make your videos about that topic and that topic only. Niche down. That's the first thing you need to do. We already talked about this. YouTube is a search engine. People are asking questions and people are looking for answers. If your niche is broad, you will not come up as the answer. Number 2, optimize your channel. Now, this was a big one for me because when I first started social media, SEO made absolutely no sense to me. And what I found out is that it sounds complicated, but it's very, very simple, really. It's just keywords. What is your audience looking for? What question are you answering? In this video right now, I'm answering how to launch a YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel. I'm saying that in the video. The YouTube algorithm will pick up the words that I'm saying. That's optimization. On the thumbnail, I will say how to start YouTube, YouTube for dummies. The search engine YouTube will pick up on those words. The title, the tags in the video, definitely what you put in the description, the words that you use. Optimize your video for search in order to get views on your video. On to number 3, if you haven't seen my video on visual hooks and hooks, go ahead and check that video out because it tells you exactly what you need to do and how to do it, which is hook your viewer within the first 5 seconds. People have a short attention span these days. Yes, they clicked on a long form, but you have to still reel them in like they're watching a short. You want to hook them in within the first 5 seconds. Visual hooks, audio hooks, and the words that you use as a hook. You have to do that. Most YouTube videos fail within the first 5 seconds. So you have to use that hook. Okay, on to number 4. You heard it before. You already know it. Post consistently. You have to post. Don't get butterflies in your stomach when you have a great video that does well and then become afraid to post because you're afraid that your next video won't do well and not post for another month or another couple weeks. Don't get upset that your video did not do well and stop posting. Consistency on your thumbnails. If one day you have yourself working out on the front of your thumbnail and then the next day you have yourself cooking food and the thumbnails look nothing alike, how is your audience going to find you? People are looking for familiar faces. They're looking for things that they've seen already to click on again. So you want your thumbnail art to be consistent so people know it's you and they click on you. Number 5, titles. How are you making your titles? So somebody wants to say how to grow a YouTube channel. More than likely, you are not going to rank in search under just the flat question, how to grow a YouTube channel. And even if you do rank in search, there are so many larger creators that have already covered that topic that people are generally going to want to see from those creators before they click on you. So you want to optimize your titles and make them engaging. Instead of just saying how to grow on YouTube, how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, how to make your first $1,000 on YouTube. Titles that answer the question but promise a little bit more. And then when your viewer clicks on your video, make sure you deliver. So I'm going to be making another video on best practices and launching your YouTube channel because I noticed that a lot of you have not launched your YouTube channel yet. So look out for that video. And if you like this video, like this video. If you like me, subscribe. And don't forget to tell me about it in the comments. Bye.